Is setup not working on your Amazon Echo Show device? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your Echo device is connected to a strong and stable Wi-Fi network. Weak or unstable connections can cause setup failures. Place your router in a central location to provide the best possible signal strength to all connected devices. Avoid placing the router near metal objects or electronics that might cause interference. Too many devices connected to the network can cause bandwidth issues. Disconnect any unnecessary devices during the setup process to ensure better performance. Method 2. Restart your router. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many connectivity issues. So restart the router. To do that, unplug your router, wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Method 3. Update the Alexa app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Alexa app installed on your smartphone or tablet. Outdated versions can have bugs or compatibility issues that affect the setup process. Visit your device's app store like Google Play Store for Android or Apple App Store for iOS to check for updates. Download and install any available updates for the Alexa app. Method 4. Restart your Echo device. Unplug your Echo device from the power outlet. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This can resolve minor software glitches that might be preventing the setup process. Allow the device to fully restart and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network before attempting to set it up again. Method 5. Reset your Echo device. Swipe down from the top of the screen. Select Settings, then select Device Options, then Reset to Factory Defaults, and follow the on-screen instructions. Or you can press and hold the mute button and the volume down button simultaneously for about 15 seconds until the Amazon logo appears. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device again. Method 6. Check device placement. Make sure your Echo device is placed in an open area away from walls and other objects that might block its signal. Keep the device away from other electronic devices that might cause interference, such as microwaves and baby monitors. Ensure your Echo device is within a reasonable distance from the router to maintain a strong Wi-Fi signal. Method 7. Contact Amazon support. If none of the methods work, contact Amazon support for further assistance. Follow the instructions provided by the support team to resolve the issue. And there you have it, the method to fix the issue when setup is not working on Amazon Echo Show device. We hope the methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.